You guys are going to be seeing exactly what I use on a day-to-day basis when I take trades and when I send trades to the Discord community. The TradeEasy Discord community, to be insanely specific, right? Now, you have seen us use TradeEasy with the sentiment. You have seen us use TradeEasy with the fundamentals. But have you really seen TradeEasy being used in its purest form? Have you? You have not, right? You have not seen any platform out there that does exactly what we do. Why? Because we are the pioneers of this, okay? So what you're going to be looking at today is something so insane that you're going to be like, oh shit, I need to get a fucking piece of this, all right? Now, we've been having a success rate of over 80% over the past, I think, 15 trades, right? And this is based on TradeEasy itself. Now, you guys know that yesterday, being 21st of July, 2026, I took $100 to 3,940 thereabouts in one day, in 24 hours on oil sells, gold buys, okay? I could not do it without the help of TradeEasy. So here's exactly what you're going to be looking at. Now, when you open TradeEasy, right, you go to tradeeasyai.net, you register for a 7-day free trial. Then what you're going to do is you're going to be faced with a default set of assets. Now, you can also go here, add asset, and you can add any asset that you want to add, all right? Now, for example, say I want to trade gold. How will I trade gold? Well, I'm going to go to gold over here. I'm going to click on it. Now remember, it's very intuitive. You click on it, you see exactly what's moving gold right now. You see exactly the market moving news events over here. And also if you want to see all of the news events, you can see it right over here. Okay. Now you can also have a small educational moment. You can click on why this moves the market and you're going to see a macroeconomic breakdown teaching you as to why this is moving the market. Now, having said that, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the 5-minute chart on gold over here, right? And you will see that, oops, small glitch. You will see that it marks out the entire projection for you. And your job is essentially wait for the pullback, enter with your trading strategy, enter with your trading model. And you can see over here, typical high. Well, if that's a typical high, then I'm going to keep my initial take profit there. And if there's enough of volume in the day, I'm going to go for the stretch over here. And that's exactly how you could have traded this. Now, yesterday, with gold, we can see that gold did something like this. Gold actually caused a move up, right? And you guys saw that I took a piece of this pie. I bought down over here, and my take profit was all the way up somewhere over here, and it worked out insanely perfectly, right? Today I did not take any gold buys. I only took oil sells, and I also took gold buys, which fucked me over. But oil sells so far so good, right? So I started a new flip, and I'm going to show it to you guys in a bit. Now, if you take a look at oil over here, we can see this is exactly what's moving oil. You can enable the POIs over here, and you can get all the POIs drawn for you, and this is literally done for you. Okay. Now, if you take a look at the actual oil price action on a trading view right over here, we can see that it's selling off nicely. Okay. So if you take a look at the Google Chrome extension, we can see oil is slightly bullish. So yes, you can see over here that I put an alert, and this alert is going to tell me if I need to close this trade or not. Okay. Because that's where liquidity is. Now, having said that, we're going to go back to TradeEasy, and now you have never seen anyone do anything like this aside from me, right? So we can see the scalp, we can see the counter trend trades, and we can also see the pro trend trades as well. And this is exactly what got us to an 80% plus win rate over the past 15 trades. Okay. So you have everything that you need from the moment you enter into TradeEasy. You add exactly which assets you want to add, and then everything is done for you. For example, you don't see any forex over here. So let's go and add something from forex. Let's say Euro USD. And when we do Euro USD, what we're going to do is we can see exactly what's going on, and you can see that Euro USD price action is horrible, and still it did call the entire bullish move. Okay, tells you exactly why, tells you why it's going to move and all of that. And you can also see that we have the high impact news drivers over here, right? So on the day of the high impact news drive, you can click on it and it'll show you price projections of how it's going to move. All right, so this is exactly how TradeEasy works. This is exactly how you are going to be using TradeEasy, and this is exactly the feature that I was talking about when we started this video, right? This is something that no one does. Now, from a value proposition perspective, right, here's what's going to happen. You're going to enter TradeEasy, you're going to add what you want to add, you're going to see the charts over here, and when you see the charts over here, what's going to happen is you are going to be simply taking that damn trade, man. Simple as that. And also we have a Discord community, and in that Discord community, I send these trades every day just in case you forget to check it, right? So with that said, I hope you found this insightful. you guys are definitely getting a discount if you choose a lifetime membership. So make sure you get TradeEasy, get the lifetime membership or get the annual membership, because this is definitely worth it, and it's only going to get better from here for your research and for your trading career as a whole. Because imagine this, 15 trades, 80% win rate. That's going to be around, I think, 30 to 40 RR given a minimum average risk reward of a 3, right? So that's going to be a shit ton of money if you are on a prop account or if you are on your own personal capital. Okay, so with that said, I'll see you guys in the next one. In the next one, we're going to have a little bit of a detour from the daily series and from TradeEasy. We are going to be doing an educational commentary, an educational lesson. So I have something in mind. Now, if you guys have something in mind that you want to put out and that you want to learn even further, you can comment it down below. So make sure you do that and like, comment what you want to comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell thingamajig. That's it. I'll see you in the next one. Good luck and good trading. Bye bye.